Oh, up.
Okay, so Mel Matheson and Grenadine MH. 4-year-old chestnut mare. New Zealand Hanoverian
took a
by
wee while
Gruff
to
Top
come
out
around
of a
there.
Grosvenor mare. Read by Judith Matthews at Matthews
Clear
Hanoverians,
though,
owned
but
by
yeah,
Angie
but quite a
Miller
bit slow.
and Judith
Cool,
Matthews.
What's a clean
Just
horse?
getting the
How beautiful is this horse?
He is a
live
lovely
feed organised. Should be with you in just a second. And she finishes with 4 faults, Mel. Does
The
so
corner
she
from
will
1 to
add
2
4
and
to
the corner
yesterday's
from the
total
black and white
of
one to the
4
double.
for
And the mare
8.
pass.
Right, our next rider out is Jessie Linton. Jessie is riding Frankel, 4-year-old bay mare. Warm Blood by Cassiano out of a Voltaire 2 mare, bred by the Winchester Trust. This horse, yesterday had finished on 0 faults, so he's starting with a clean slate. Jessie. Nicely done, Jessie Linton. All clear, so he remains on a total of 0 for the 2 days, and he will go forward into round 3 tomorrow in a good position. It's good news for the hometown rider. We move now to our next Hawke's Bay rider, Julie Davey, riding Inca NZPH. It's not updating. It just stays the same. Yes. Pain in the ass. It just doesn't update. Yeah. And sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't.
I was going to ask him what software it was, but maybe I won't bother.
Oh. Anyway, so Inca NZPH and Julie Davey, a 4-year-old bay mare, sport horse by Up to You, out of a Pizzatis de Rue mare and bred by New Zealand Sport Horses, owned by Andrew Ormond and Julie Davey. They also were all clear yesterday, so they're sitting in a good position today. Currently all clear in her round, heading into fence.